Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to turn on the heated seats on your Range Rover. Let's show you how they work.
And I'm in the Range Rover at the moment in the driver's seat, and I have to say it is very nice in here. And if you go to the central console, there's a button here with two seats on it back to back. Now this isn't some special James Bond feature which spins all the seats around. No, it's the heated seats. So if you just push that button once, and then the option to do the heated seats comes up on the screen above. Now what you can do is you can select 3 different heat settings on the front seats. So you can have very hot, or you can just have normal. And I have to say these are quite nice when you get into the Range Rover when it's absolutely freezing cold. And if you want to get the TV screen back to what it was before, say the navigation or the audio, you can just press the seat button and it will go back to the screen that it was on before. If you want to turn the heated seats off altogether, just press the off button. Pressing the rear seats button allows you to set the heat settings on your rear seats for your passengers or your dogs. Obviously not all Range Rovers will have heated rear seats, but if you have got them, then happy days. If you want to be super hot, then while the engine's running and you're driving, you can press this steering wheel button and that will activate the heated steering wheel. And that little LED steering wheel will glow orange to show that it's activated. These heated seats are making me really hot and thirsty, so now it's time for a lovely cup of tea.
If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel.